Hi, Christine again here with some more journals. I've had some of these kicking around for a while now and I never got around to listing them in my Etsy shop or posting them to my YouTube channel, so I'm trying to get as many of these done as possible. These are the larger style journals. I've done one like this before, and this is kind of the style that I remember as a child, where we had the large scrapbooks made of it was like a thin paper, and they were these huge books, not the smaller scrapbooks like we see now, or the smaller journals that we tend to see now. And I use these extra large sheets of 11 by 17 paper that I tea stained. So that's what I've got in here for the most part. So let me just take you through. I'm going to show both of these in the same video. This is made to be customized by whoever gets it. There are no embellishments in here, so it's just pretty much the base journal, and then you can stamp and add to it as you see fit. So this one, they're both in a peacock theme. I've got a beautiful peacock on the cover, and here I've got one of my little corner bookmarks that I made, and I have a little hand here, and then there's a bead, and you could add a little photo on this little charm. Also, there's a magnet in here so that when you put it inside your journal, it's not going to slide out. It's actually going to hold pretty well, like that. And I'll show you this one after. I've got ribbon ties on here, and I've got some trim along the sides. Again, a beautiful picture on the back. So let me open this. And here's the inside. I did some stitching around the covers on the front and the back. So these are my large sheets of 11 by 17 paper that I tea stained. So I didn't put anything on the inside. Now I also have a couple of sheets of different type of paper, but for the most part it's the tea stained paper. And I also have a little plastic pocket. You can tuck stuff in there. So these are large pages. It's an actual full 8.5 by 11 that you can journal on, stamp on, draw on. And here in the middle, I just put an envelope, again with a pretty picture. And this is the other section. So it's a one signature journal. And then I've got a pocket on the back. So that's the first one. And then here's the second one. Again, I've got one of these little corner bookmarks, and this one has the Eiffel Tower, beautiful bead, and again another charm where you can put a little photo, beautiful peacock, and I've got some trim here on the back, and again nice peacock feathers on the back. So this one has a pocket on the inside front cover, and these are the pages. There's a pocket. And here's an envelope in the middle. So it's up to you to decide, there's another pocket, how you want to embellish this, but because there's so much space, you could do some drawing, of course some journaling. There's room to attach things like in a scrapbook, but keep in mind that these pages are not acid free, so if you're going to attach photos, you want to make sure that you're using copies of your photos. You can just print them out and attach them in here and safeguard your originals. So I will include links to each of these in my Etsy shop, and have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.